Hey y'all, so we are in the parking lot about to go to Party City so I can get some eye patches for us so that we can go get us a free dozen of donuts. Audrey looks so cute. I can show y'all once we get together and walk into Dunkin' Donuts. So yeah, and also we're just out here blitzing with my business, and I hope you guys are having a great day. Bye-bye. Good morning. Okay guys, so today is the day. I'm buying a new car. It's exciting and nerve-wracking at the same time, but it's been overdue. I'll show you exactly what it looks like and everything, but it was time for my 2012 Versa to hit the rocks. And yeah, so Musa's trying to get Audrey to sleep.
Let me know when you do it.
You're good.
Thank you. Awesome.
We got a new car. Oh, that was just extra stuff that I was cleaning through. All right, guys. So we're saying bye-bye to Miracle. Yeah, I went through all of it. I said, yeah, I went through all of it.
You look in the trunk?
Yep, we got everything out of the trunk. All right, guys, so look at my new car. I got a Sentra. Woohoo! It's so much more space. It looks so thankful. And it's all because of this guy. Woohoo! Look at Audrey. Hey, Ashton. Look at Audrey eating food. Well, not food, just a little crunchy. Ooh, you like it? Do you like it? You need some milk to wash it down?
It's different.
Yeah, because she used to just milk. Oh yeah, you don't like that, do you?
I'm sorry. I've been picked up the wrong kind. I'm sorry. Because that apple, I think that's what it is. That apple in there, it makes it
Yeah, she just spit it back out again. This is saying you got a carrot. I'm trying on the carrot.
No, I don't have a little pack of carrots. I think it's all big ones.
Andrew got the little crumbs in her. Let me see nothing.
I told you I didn't want the wafer.
No, he didn't. He said, I'm playing with this.
Get out of here.
We just had a good meal. Vivian cooked some ham and sweet potatoes, and some greens is in there.
Like, where's mine? I'm sorry, Audrey. You didn't like it.
Yeah, Audrey, we try you next on some little food.
I'm sorry. I've been so sorry.
See, y'all done started something. We ain't got that. All we got is milk.
Just go right to the store. There's
Yes.
two.
My one of the girls that do It Works, She said that she used to work at Plum Organics, and they're really good. Have you ever seen them before?
Plum Organics.
Mm-hmm.
These
You was
things
tearing
right
them
here.
things up, boys.
These are organic.
Yeah. Oh yeah, apples, carrots, and squash. This is what Alina used to give to Parker.
Get a spoon, she'll eat some.
That's the second one.
What do you mean?
Try.
Oh, second food. So what's the first one mean? Like,
I don't know if they have one like that in the first one. I don't think so.
Because she is whining.
yeah. Okay, Audrey. I'll put you. We're back. We are back at the same hotel. I have some great news that I can't share just yet, but it's exciting. Very exciting. Uh-oh.
Mark, this
Ugh. Oh boy, y'all know how I feel about these elevators. So just pray for me.
sleep.
Pray for me. And Audrey is still up. Say hi, Audrey. Oh boy, that shook. We on the 4th floor this time. What room number? 23. But yeah, today has been an awesome day. I got a car. Musa got a haircut. I got my hair done. We in the hotel. Today's an awesome day. And tomorrow will be even better. I can't wait to vlog and let you guys see behind the scenes. It's 4:23. We are extremely tired because we've been up early and then we gotta get up early tomorrow. And it's not like last time where we could just unpack and unwind. All right, door. Okay, all right. Okay, I think that's pretty much like the last one. I know, but Mom was like, "Oh, it's a king size," and I'm like. We stayed in a king size. It do look just a tad bit bigger, but yeah, so we are here and we got some work to do tomorrow. I'm sick, can't bring it in. We tired. We just real tired. All right, y'all. Good night.
Give you everything, maybe love me lighter.